2, 3.
We're here at Kissing Clouds at Diri
Farm. Oh, it's windy. Ayan, nandito kami sa Kissing Clouds Agricultural Farm. Look, the big owl over there. Ang galing oh. Look at the art. Can you do that? Oh, wow. It's a rock owl. Okay.
It's my first time to see a real axe.
Oh,
Look at my butt.
wow.
Daddy, look at my butt. Just look at strawberries. And the big
Strawberries. Yes. Oh, able to see one right here. There you go. Oh, no. Not yet. Oh, that's a big strawberry over here. Okay. This way to Cloud Stairs. Hello. There's a big strawberry here. Yan. Tapos ito yung stairs papunta dun sa cross. Yan. Meron na rin mga little kubo here na pwedeng mag-relax. And habang yun ang view mo. Yan, ayan ang view mo. Yan. Lapit tayo sa falls. Ano yung tsura mo? Ano yan? Double hat. Oh. Why are you so excited? Oh, it's a mini helicopter. Oh, not allowed to go inside that. It's just for your eyes. Wow. Can you open it?
I don't know.
Whoa! Oh, see. Open it. What's inside? Nice. Oh, yan oh. Okay. Oh, just close it again. Okay. Wow. So, meron din tayo dito ng ano, falls. Okay? Yan. At may daanan doon. Lapit tayo. Doon nga oh, pwede nga doon oh, mag-swimming oh. May maliit na spot doon oh, oh. You can swim. Yan oh. Ang lamig lang ng tubig na yan.
Uy.
O, dahan-dahan. Oh, risk. So risky. Go.
Makes me want to shout.
I'm coming. Wow. Look at that.
Can we go fast?
Medyo extreme to. Kaya optional ito. Medyo challenging.
Ba't hindi ka na? Ba't hindi ka na? May hope na nga.
Ano?
Mas maganda ka ito kaya kanina.
Wow. What are we doing, Oni? Let's go. Up. Tingnan mo yung sa sides mo.
Yes!
Hawak sa rope. Go. So nakadepend yung life natin sa rope na to.
Oh no.
Oh no. It's going down.
Mother!
I'll go first.
Yes. Jesus.
Okay. You having fun?
Yes. Ano yun?
Lizard. Ooh, where are you, Oni?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, suddenly there's a big flag here. Wow. Wait. You go first. Woo. Yep. Yep. Woo. Yes. I'll go down first. You wait for me here. We're almost there. Woo. Meh. Let's go.
I wanna see.
And meron din tayong maliit na space here for event. So this is called the mini function hall for now. Di nakailan na. Ayan.